So you're a business owner, you're selling a coach, consulting, or you're a marketing agency selling a service online. If you need a VSL that would actually get you book calls and paying clients, I'm going to help you stop wasting your time and get it right the first time with this video. Hi, I'm Helmi, the founder of Helmi Hassan YouTube Funnel Agency, and I'm going to be sharing with you my proven VSL script plus template that have added at least $19,000 in revenue for my agency. And this is the very same framework that I use for my clients as well, so they too can get book calls for their services. Let's begin. Let's start with, what is a VSL? VSL stands for Video Sales Letter. It's a video around 2 to 4 minutes long. We want to keep it really short. Target around 2 minutes would be ideal. That explains who you are, who you serve, what is the clear ROI that the audience will get. So whatever service that you're selling, it doesn't matter what it is. Ultimately, the business owner or whoever wants to buy your service, they either want to improve their health, their wealth, or their relationship. So can you quantify any of these to some degree? And you finally want them to do something, the call to action. Usually it's to book a call or to download a lead magnet or sign up somewhere. But for most of you watching this, if you're a marketing agency, for example, you probably want people to book a call with you. Okay, so where is it used? It's embedded on the top of your landing page. So let me show you right here. So this is my landing page. So you have your offer. This is your VSL. It should be placed right here, embedded. And the second place you want to put this is on your YouTube channel here as the channel trailer. So when somebody comes to your YouTube channel, that's the first video here that is played. So immediately people know who you are, who you serve, what you do, what's in it for them. The format of the VSL is always a talking head like this, exactly like this video right here. It's me talking to the camera, and maybe there's a screen share with some documents if I want to show that. Nothing fancy. You can use a software like Loom, Descript, or OBS, which is free, to record yourself in this position and maybe share a screen if that's what you want. So now we're going to be talking about the VSL structure. These are all the elements that I use personally. You should use this as a rough framework of what you should be using. Then you can move things around. You can add stuff, you can remove stuff, depending on what your business is. But for the most part, you can just use this framework. So the first one, the hook, is going to be the intro. Who you're talking to, agencies, B2B people, SaaS founders, whatever. Do you want the desired outcome that your service is providing? Do you want 10 or 15 more leads? Do you want 1 million views? Whatever it is that you're trying to deliver to them. Do you want this? So that's a good hook. It's very straightforward. Immediately after that, you want to show some sort of social proof. So whatever testimonials you have, whatever screenshot, whatever, doesn't matter, from some other people or your client that you help, place that on as a B-roll. Like, hey, do you want this? Or you want this? You want this as well? Look at this guy. I'm going to show you an example. So on my landing page, there's going to be like this. This is a client testimonial. These are people I work with. These are all screenshots that are from my clients. So you can totally use one of these. Pick the ones that are the best and maybe put one here and put another one right here. We're going to be using a lot of these social proof throughout this VSL. Just tons of it, like these. The screenshot of the graph going up. People love this. Subscriber count going up. Whatever your deliverable is, people want to see it. Then you go immediately to the 3 pain points. This is the before. This is the current state of your viewer. Are you facing these problems? Problem 1, problem 2, problem 3. And this should really resonate with the person you're trying to target. And immediately after that, you can say, what if now you have those problems solved? So before it was this, now it's this. Before it was that, now it's this. Before it was this, now it's that. So it's the before and after. You want them to visualize, like when you work with them, you can help them fix this problem to this. Immediately after that is more social proof. So just pick a few of your screenshots or whatever, put more stuff on the VSL. Then your credibility. So now here's the part where you introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Helmi, the founder of whatever. I've achieved this much and that much, and I've worked with this guy and this famous guy over here. Short and sweet. So you show them the results and then you introduce who you are. Some people, they introduce themselves up front, but I feel like if nobody knows you, why would they care who you are? Just tell them, this is what I did. Do you want this? Hi, I'm Helmi. I feel like that flows a lot better. So these are the main benefits. This is optional. The main benefits, in my opinion, is the same as the after here. So before, after, so that's the benefit. Like you're going to benefit from this, right? You solve the problem. But depending on what type of business you are, maybe your business is a little bit more complicated. So you need another section just to explain the benefits, what they're going to get. So you can add that section right there. I did not have this. Then you can have how it works, flowchart. So how does my service works, right? So then you explain that. Ideally, you want some sort of flowchart on your landing page. This section is like my done for you funnel service process. And then there's a flowchart. So you can just take this and place it on the side of your VSL while you're talking about it. People love flowcharts. Now you want to agitate the pain. Okay, so now if you stay where you are, here's what's going to happen. Your competitor's going to run loops through you. You're going to make less money. Everything's going to be more expensive. But just dig deeper into the pain. And immediately after that, more social proof. You want to be like this guy? How about this guy right here? How about that guy? So all your client testimonials, all your client screenshots, place them there, tease them. Finally, the call to action. If you're ready to work together or you want to explore if we could be a good fit, book a free consultation call, link down below. That's it. Short and sweet. There you go. That's the VSL that I use myself that have added at least $19,000 on revenue to my business. You can skip all the guesswork and just use this framework right here. So from time to time, you get more clients. The moment you get a new case study, a new screenshot that's from a more famous person or a better result, just make a new one. But if you want to save even more time, you can download my template so you can hit the ground running and get your VSL done even faster. Let's say you're a super busy business owner. You don't even have time to script and everything all on your own. And you want me to do the scripting, the editing, the feedback for intonation and all that kind of stuff. I can help you with a done for you service. You want to know more? Book a free consultation with me down below. My name is Helmi, founder of Helmi Hassan YouTube Funnel Agency. So now you know how to make a high converting VSL. The next thing you probably want to know is how to make a high converting landing page. And if you want to know how to do that, watch this video right here. See ya.